English is a language, so listen to me. If you would like to speak in English, so definitely if you want to be good speaker, if you would like to speak all the time, if you think that without inertia, so I would like to speak in English. First of all, you have to listen and you have to copy them and you have to speak. This is the kind of shadowing. This is shadowing and it will help you to improve your accent and speaking. As well as whenever you will read out loudly, you can remove your inertia. So you know that you have a lot of problem whenever you try to speak in English. Yes, so that's why please try to speak, read aloud, and it will help you to improve your speaking. Right now you are getting result. Am I right or wrong? Right. I'm very friendly as well as I'm very hard, you know very well. So whenever you won't maintain my discipline, that time I'm very uh, hard, and whenever you'll maintain my discipline, I'm very friendly. It's my character. Got it? Well, so as a student, right now just you have only one duty. How can I improve my speaking? What should I do or not? After coming here, whenever you'll speak in Bangla, so believe me, it's not possible to speak in English within short time. Just you have 3 months. So is it possible a language properly 3 months if you don't sacrifice yourself? No. It's possible whenever you'll try a lot. So that's why now it's my request. Please follow my advices. Please follow my teacher's advices. Whenever you'll follow, inshallah, you'll get an excellent result. Just you have come here for getting an excellent result, not for nothing. Results means after spending the time, you'll speak in English very well. Am I right or wrong? Right. Right now you are very confident. Right now you can speak in English, and I think that you are being hardworking person because your teacher, Mr. Rahat sir, is very hardworking person. I believe working hard, nothing else. Working hard can beat talents. I believe so. You don't have any talent, no issues, but you have to have a habit of working hard. Please do it. Inshallah, you'll do better. Right now, you have got your result. And most of the students, you have changed your accent. Right now, you can also speak in English. Train your brain to speak in English. Train your brain to think in English. Inshallah, just this habit will help you to improve your speaking. And try to maintain the time. Time management is called life management. You know better than I. Got it? Yes. Okay, so do you listen every day?
Yes, sir.
And you have to listen. Right now I'm speaking, right now you are listening.
Yes,
This is also listening process, right? Okay, and you will listen, and definitely only one method will help you. This is called of listening. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'm very happy. Are you happy after joining our outdoor session?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much and best of luck and love you all. Assalamu alaikum.